This is UMSL Money Matters, presented by the Student Financial Services Office. Step 1. Getting started on funding your UMSL education. Office Communications. All official correspondence from our office is sent via your UMSL student email account. Those emails include billing statement reminders, cancellation warnings, announcements, additional reminders, financial aid award letters, and other to-do items. Again, all correspondence will be sent only to your UMSL email account, so please make sure you set that up, as we cannot email your Gmail, Yahoo, or anything else. Parking on campus. Anyone driving a vehicle onto the UMSL campus will need a parking permit. Emails are sent out when parking passes become available. You are offered 2 free parking passes at no additional cost. Anything additional to those 2 will be $25 per parking permit, and we also offer Metrolink passes for our students at a rate of $25 per semester. What is financial aid? Financial aid can be broken up into 3 different groups. As you may be able to see in this screenshot, this student has a Pell Grant that is not covering the full amount of tuition and fees, which means in the top right corner, you will see the adjusted amount due. This will show the total amount due for that semester and the minimum payment that is required for that month. Please review your account activity page to see any recent charges that may have been made after the bill was run, including bookstore charges. Please check your account for any auto access charges for required books that were automatically added to your account. This example billing statement is different from the one previously. This student has their tuition charges, but they have enough scholarships and grants and financial aid to cover their tuition charges. As stated before, please review your account activity page to see any recent charges that may have been made after the bill was run, including bookstore charges. Please check your account for any auto access charges for required books that were automatically added to your account. In the top right corner of this billing statement, you will see a negative amount due. If you ever see a negative amount due, that means you do not need to make a payment, as the minimum payment box is zeroed out. Make sure you are looking at the top right corner of your bill to see whether or not you owe a balance or need to make a minimum payment. Payment information. There are multiple ways to pay your bill. The first way is by mail. You can mail a check to the address on the monthly billing statement. Please be aware that if you mail in your check, that it can take anywhere up to 2 weeks depending on postal services. Another option is in person. In our office at the Student Financial Services Office, we take cash, check, or money order, or PIN-based debit card transactions. We cannot take any credit cards in person. If you want to pay online, the most convenient option you can choose is the e-check option, which is using your bank account information and routing number. There is no additional fee for this. If you choose to pay with a credit card online, you will be assessed the 3% service fee for this on top of your payment. Refunds. If you are expecting a refund, they are processed in 2 different ways. The first way is a direct deposit, which can take anywhere from 3 to 5 business days to reach your bank account, depending on your bank. You can set up that banking information on TouchNet. The other way is via paper check. Paper check will be mailed to you and normally takes anywhere up to 2 weeks, and we'll mail it to the address we have on file. If you are expecting a Parent Plus loan refund, there are multiple ways you can receive that. The first way is having the check mailed directly to the parent or the student, depending on how you set it up. The other way is direct deposit. Please make sure that you are updating your direct deposit information to the most accurate information that we have on file. Any issue with direct deposit can result in a delay in your receiving your refund. Dropped course reassessment. The dropped course reassessment schedule for each semester allows students to attend the first week of courses without being charged a percentage of those courses. Anytime after the first week, a student could be responsible for anywhere between 50% of the drop course. all the way up to 100%, depending on the date it was dropped for any course outside of the regular 16-week schedule. Please refer to the reassessment schedule posted on the Student Financial Services website. Last but not least, step 4, renewal. Speaking of your renewal, remember that this starts over next year, as well as every other year that you are in school. Complete your FAFSA, which opens October 1st, 2023. Also, complete UMSL's competitive scholarship application that opens the same date. By completing it, you make yourself eligible for as many scholarships as the university has to offer. Last but not least, always read your UMSL email and look for notices from our office regarding updates. You can always contact us at the Student Financial Services office. We are located in the Millennium Student Center, which is also known as the MSC, in room 327 on the top floor. We do have 2 phone numbers that you can reach us at. First one is 314-516-5151, and the second option is 314-516-5526. The number ending in 5151 would direct you to more of what cashier specialists help directly with on your account balance. The number ending in 5526 will direct you to someone more specialized in financial aid. Again, both of these numbers will get you to our Student Financial Services office, and we'd be happy to help answer any questions that you have. We also have 2 emails. The first one is cashiers@umsl.edu. The second one is financialaid@umsl.edu. Again, both of these emails will get to our office. The cashier's email will send you to the cashier's office for more questions about your account. The financial aid email will get you to a specialist regarding financial aid.